My name is Siri Sastri, and my business name is Viropana Healing Surgical Clinic. I'm a general surgeon, and in our clinic, we are able to do minor surgeries under local anesthesia and also wound care of any kind. So those are the two things we tend to do. I interviewed her when I was looking for a marketer, and she just aligned with me in terms of her old school way of having doctors talk to each other, providers talk to each other. And I liked the ride-along concept that she had, where I would go in with her rep and meet the providers at each of the clinics in town and be able to give them like a 2-minute spiel of why I have my clinic, what we can provide for the patients. And I like that. A lot of the marketers nowadays, it's all social media, and I just feel like it's not as personalized. Just because I was in the military and I never had experience with marketing, my concerns with marketing in general were just, one, it's expensive. So was it going to be cost effective? I think just kind of getting reach out community wise to let people know that I exist. That's the number one. Number two is not knowing where my target audience would be, like what kind of clinics, what kind of locations in town I would need to focus on. And then I would say number three is, not having business cards and brochures and referral pads and things that, her company helped me understand that those things were important to spread the news. I'll be honest with you, I didn't really have challenges. I was brand new to having my own business, and I just didn't know where to start. And I feel like YML helped me understand the concept of getting the word out. And then they, within 24 hours, got me my logo created. And they had a graphics designer come up with my web design. And that helped significantly because those are areas I'm just not very strong about. So I felt like those were very, very important in timeliness. She was very reactive to me wanting to get started as soon as possible. She had my business cards out within a week, the brochures within a week. I met her reps within a week. Everything was very expedited. So that's what I really appreciated. Last June, when I changed my clinic location to where I am now, we had about the summer is always slow, but we had 20 patients in the month of June. And then this June, just a year later, we had 93. Her clinic reps, they go 30 to 30 different clinics every month to give out my brochures, my business cards. And then the one rep that's with me because of her, she's very well integrated into the community, the medical community. So everywhere she knew, personal injury attorneys, workman's comp, employment areas, nurses, other reps, and then they would spread the news about me. So to me, that is what it's all about, is networking, which Ginger is a very good expert at. She knows a lot of people in the community, and so she spread the word, and that's how I grew the way I did. Ginger and her team are very responsive. They care. It's not just about money. They're actually very well priced compared to other marketing companies, and they're very hands-on. If you have any concerns or suggestions, they're very humble and open to changing the way things are done, and you feel like they're part of your family. It's not just a business, and that's, to me, what matters the most with YML. Like I said, the ride-alongs to me are very unique to their company, to Ginger's company, because the other marketers, they thought it should be Instagram or TikTok or all this social media. And I personally am very not social media happy. I wanted to appeal to the one where I went into the clinic and I was able to tell them my business. And because they feel like I was a good addition to their patient care, they would send the patients to me. So that's what I liked, the hands-on and the one-on-one. Let the experts give you their advice on how to grow your business. So be open-minded, because a lot of doctors, unfortunately, they're very kind of trained to think the way they want to think, and they think they know everything. So I would tell the doctors, hey, marketing is not your forte. So let Ginger and her team, who do it all the time and do a great job at it, let them open you up to experiences like networking and events and different types of avenues of marketing that you wouldn't normally want to do, and just give it a shot. That's what I would say.